my name is Brian McAvoy, and we're going to be interviewing Parno Pal today for our oceanography class about tsunami and the earthquake that occurred in Japan. Professor Pal, how do you think the earthquake and tsunami occurred in Japan?
Well, basically, you see this. These are the boundaries of the Pacific Plate. Almost all of them are trenches. Pacific Ring of Fire is different, of course. It's here, but if you look at the Pacific Plate, all these are trenches here, and deep sea trenches are where high magnitude deep focus earthquakes most commonly occur. So it's not surprising that it occurred here, and as a matter of fact, these earthquakes are associated with tsunamis. If it's an ocean bottom seismicity, that causes tsunami. So the result is you have tsunami also. As a matter of fact, tsunami itself is a Japanese word. It's a joint word made up of su, nami. So su is harbor, nami means waves.
The earthquake occurred where the Pacific Plate thrusts under the North American Plate. Northern Japan sits on the west tip of the North American Plate. In this area, known as the Japan Trench, the Pacific Plate usually moves westward about 3 1/4 inches per year. The earthquake was a result of a thrust faulting, a violent movement of the Pacific Plate compressing underneath the North American Plate, forcing it upward. The upward movement of the plate releases large amounts of energy and displaces vast amounts of ocean water, causing a tsunami. The energy radiates from the epicenter in the deep ocean. The wavelengths are long and the heights are low. These waves can travel more than 500 miles an hour. When the tsunami nears land, the shallower water causes the wave height to increase. The waves push inland because so much water and energy has built up behind them. Wave heights reached more than 20 feet along the coast of Japan, and tsunami warnings were issued as far away as the west coasts of the United States and South America.
Now, the same thing we had in Sumatra also. Sumatra was also at the trench. This Indonesia, that was 2004, and that unleashed major tsunami. As a matter of fact, the Sumatra earthquake, Banda Aceh earthquake, in terms of fatalities, that was the worst one because it killed about 250,000 people or thereabout. So that was very major. But in the case of Japan, as I was telling you, yes, it has. The number of people it killed is about 10,000. That's a large number, particularly when we want to see a situation where nobody gets killed. Yeah. But in terms of damage, it was a lot more because of this power plant. And that is a bigger implication because all over the world, we were hoping in these energy-starved conditions, when we need more energy for economic growth, many countries were relying more and more on nuclear plants. Well, Germany abandoned nuclear plants idea, China abandoned nuclear plants idea, India has decided to go slow. So that means that it affects the whole world's energy future also.